Let's start with the basics of the past participle. You take the base form of the verb and add ed. For example, cooked. You can use it as an adjective and as a verb. Many commonly used verbs have uncommon forms, so be careful. For example, eaten, which is the past participle of eat. Let's see how we use it as an adjective. They are eating cooked food. This way you can describe what something is like permanently. So once that food is cooked, it will stay cooked. It doesn't become something else. Now let's have a look at it as a verb. He has cooked. So he made the food. As you can see, he has cooked dinner for us. It's used in perfect tenses. Perfect tenses describe a finished action. So it's something that's done and it can't be changed, similar to how you use it as an adjective. Now let's have a look what sort of spelling changes there are. Double the last letter before ed if a one-syllable verb ends in a consonant, vowel, consonant. For example, stopped. Double the last letter before ed if a multiple syllable verb ends in a consonant, vowel, consonant, and the last syllable is stressed. For example, admitted. If the last letter is an L, you have to double it. Traveled. Now in American English, this doesn't happen, so traveled is with one L. If the last letter is an E, it disappears. Moved. If the last letter is a Y, it becomes an I. Studied.